Hey, Rob travels with Dottie, and this is the famous Blue Hole in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. It's a clear blue body of water with a constant 62-degree temperature year round and a constant inflow of 3,000 gallons per minute. It's an example of a natural or artesian well, a type of well or spring fed by water under high pressure, and of a cenote, a collapsed cavern exposing groundwater beneath. The cavern was formed by the dissolution of limestone bedrock. The bottom has large boulders, rubble, bones, mass, a crucifix, and other objects. The caves extend down to 194 feet. One local legend states the passages may be connected to Carlsbad Caverns. Since 1976, the cave passages have been sealed off to the public by a metal grate installed by the city. There have been at least 2 people that have died here. There were 2 notable incidents. Once in 1976, a team of student divers from Oklahoma were training, and 2 got separated and died. And in 2016, a 43-year-old California diver, a Navy veteran, was also killed. This is pretty fascinating.
Oh, no, it is. We teach once a month, 18 students, once a month, one weekend in the pool, and then the other weekend here. This is the open water certification. Now, what these guys are doing, see the big guy in the middle?
Yeah.
He's doing 2-tank training.
Okay.
And see the guy right there with the yellow, with the small orange or greenish with the beard? Blaine!
Yeah.
Blaine! Blaine! Look up over here. He's one of the instructors. We'll be teaching these students over the 2-tank scenario.
So if somebody watching my video wants to be a student, where do they?
The Scuba Company in Albuquerque on San Mateo.
Okay, all right. I'll put it out there for sure.
This weekend we had about 28 students. Actually, we had
You're like 35.
35 students?
You had 38 people show up last night for dinner.
Okay.
But I don't know how many were actually students. I think say 35.
Yeah, first timers we had approximately 20. And then the balance of these individuals were all already open water certified, and they're just going for additional certifications.
Now, for experts, I understand what I read. There are passages underneath here that are
No,
they're not.
Several years ago, 2 people who thought they were experts went in there and died. So we sealed it. There's a great death.
Oh, I knew it was sealed. I just was saying it's there, and it's very dangerous.
Unless you're certified in cave diving, you should never go cave diving. Because most of the cave divers use side mounts, and they'll take them off and put them in front of them because the openness is so wide.
Let me tell you, the whole thought of it terrifies me.
Oh, believe me. It is. It's frightening sometimes.
I remember that story of that whole soccer team got trapped, I think, in Thailand.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
And
that's right.
A team from the U.S. had to go out there and sedate them one by one and drag them out. What an amazing thing that was.
Because they didn't know how deep it was, and I know one of the professional divers from Thailand died because they did not calculate the distance.
Right.
And they ran out of air. They didn't place tanks in the way. What we do here is when we do deep dive, we'll hang a tank.
I see bubbles.
Yeah, those are the guys doing some training. We'll hang a tank from that tree. We'll hang it down at 15 feet because 15 feet is the safety stop. We always stop at 15 feet for 3 minutes to get all the nitrogen. If we're diving deep, get all the nitrogen out of our systems.
And how deep is this here?
This, if you stick your hand in the muck, you can go down to 86 feet. Wow. Normally, it's about 80 to 80 feet.
And it's like low 60s year round?
62 degrees, yes. So we have classes 12 months out of the year.
Wow.
See, these 2 guys right here, they're already...
Those 2 guys there?
Hey, fellas, walk this way. Hey, Matt. Sippy, walk this way. Matt. They're all both instructors. They just got done teaching the search and recovery class.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Very impressive.
Oh, because I got nitrox. I didn't think of that.
Oh, is that the one? Search and recovery. We'll go down to the bottom, and we'll hide some items, and we'll tell them approximately what degrees, etc. The enthusiast will go down and with instructors, and they'll search it, and then we'll have a weight bag with an air bag, and they have to tie knots and tie it and raise it out. Fantastic.
This will be on there probably tomorrow.
Great.
All right. Thank you.